Kemcho Gujarat. I am Bijan Mondal from Lorch Welding Products Private Limited. This is Lorch Collaborative Robot with IQS Power Source. First of all, I want to tell you the why the collaborative robot is now trending because of the lack of welder into the market. So we want to enhance the power of the welder with the cobot. Lorch has taken this cobot from universal robot and integrated it with the welding power source, which is the pioneer. Lorch is the pioneer of the welding power source. So you will get the perfect welding seam with the cobot, and our own R&D team, software R&D team deployed for the software development along with the robot and the power source.